Welcome to 30 Days of Learning Pacdora. In today's video, we'll explore how to design a carton box using Pacdora. Let's dive in. First, visit the Pacdora website and select the carton box option. A blank carton box template will appear. For this tutorial, we'll create a cookie carton box. We'll begin by placing a cookie image on the box. Next, we'll use a square box image to enhance the design. After that, we'll add all the textual details, including the product description. And then paste our logo. Finally, we'll choose a box color that matches our theme. Once the design is complete, we can view our box in 3D. explore different display options, and even change the background color. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting design tips and tricks.